Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I'll show you how you can turn on or turn off captions and also how you can customize them if you decide to turn them on. So the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down to the device preferences. And right now scroll down again until we find the accessibility settings. When you are here, we have to simply go for the captions. And at the first we can display them. As you can see, when I select the switcher, we get here our captions. So that's how we can turn on or turn them off. It's very simple. In this place you can change language of the captions. As you can see, the language has changed. I'm going to stay with the default with the English. Here we can also change the size of the captions. I'm going to stay with small. Oh, maybe not, maybe with normal. Here we can get the caption style like white on black, black on white, yellow on the black or yellow on the blue. We can also custom. So you get text, color, font. You got the text opacity. Like we can go for the 50% to get it like more. I was about to say more brightness, but it's not that word. Okay, never mind. Here we got the edge type, edge color. We can also show background, show window of the captions. We can pick the opacity, and after that we can just go back. So as you can see, that's how we can customize the captions. That's how we can turn them on or turn them off. I'm going to turn them off because I don't need them. After that you can just finally go back, and that's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.